We're going to go in the other room and we're going to look at some lifts in there and talk about how it can save us money. We've got 3 different lifts in the shop. We have this particular lift, which is a hefty. We have a snap-on, and then we have that tabletop one that's in there. It's actually designed to pick up cars. That's what it was designed for. We actually made the table for it so that it was useful. As a car lift, it wasn't useful to us. And so we made a tabletop so that you can roll a piece of equipment or drive a piece of equipment on it, lift it up in the air and actually work on it. When it comes to reel products, which is what most you'll be dealing with, it's hard to adjust reels laying on a table. And so that's why that type of table doesn't work real well for most golf course pieces of equipment. It works well for riding lawnmowers and stuff where you're just changing oil or working on something. And so we don't use that one a lot other than as a table one. And we set it on the ground, roll something on it, lift it up, and work on it with the component. This particular lift is probably the cheapest lift that's out there on the market. We don't own this lift, it's owned by Hefty. They shipped it to us, we paid half the shipping. And so this particular lift is a great lift if you have a lot of small equipment. If you're in the lawn and garden business, this lift is probably one of the best ones out there. And the reason why that is because of the versatility of it. When you look at this sheet and look at the back, it lists all the different attachments and options that go with it. Everything you see down here on the floor are optional pieces of equipment that go with it. The 600 and the 4000 is the 4000 has a curved mast. And the reason why they curved it is if you put a fairway mower on this thing, it's kind of heavy, and what happens is it kind of leans forward a little bit and it looks scary. It's rated by OSHA and everyone to be safe, but people get kind of worried when the piece of equipment kind of makes the whole machine lean forward. So they curve the mast so as it goes up with a heavy piece of equipment, it leans back a little bit and it stays level.